Okay, I've already made a video on dynamic calendar in Android, but that app basically worked only for charging and headphones animation. But this works basically for everything else like notifications, music player, and multitasking as well. So let's start. This is the app. It's called Dynamic Spot. It's already available in Play Store, but anyways, I'll provide the link in the description down below for you to download. So once you open the app, this is how you are greeted with. And there are also some permissions you needed to give. First of all, select the apps that you want this app to work with. I'm gonna select all, obviously. After that, give the necessary accesses like notification and draw on screen, etc. Once you give all the permissions, you are done with the initial setup. Now open pop-up settings and click dimensions. Here you can basically set up the X position and Y position of the dynamic spot. You can even increase or decrease the size. So set it up such that it aligns perfectly with the camera cutout. After that, come back and scroll all the way down. You will see an option when touching outside. Enable it. This option makes sure that the expanded pop-up minimizes when you click anywhere on the screen. Also on the top, there is an option called Allow 2 pop-ups. Enable that as well. This will create a mini bubble for multiple notifications such that you can multitask using that. So yeah, that's it with the setup. From now on, whenever someone sends you a message, you will see it like this. And also if you listen to some music apps, this is how it appears. And you can actually expand this, or you can even open this. You can also multitask like this. So that's pretty much it about the video. Hope you guys like it, and if you did, smash the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to never miss an update from the channel. I will talk to you in my next video.